Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 22nd September 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 16 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. The inaugural event of the World Cleanup Day was observed on. Answer is 20th September. The inaugural event of the World Cleanup Day celebrated on 20th September. To observe World Cleanup Day through activities aimed at raising awareness of the role cleanup efforts play in sustainable development. Norway is hosted the inaugural event of the World Cleanup Day. Theme of this event is Arctic cities and marine litter. Question number 2. World Rhino Day is observed every year on. Answer is 22nd September. World Rhino Day is observed globally on 22nd September every year to raise awareness about the importance of protecting and conserving the rhino species globally. World Rhino Day was first announced by World Wildlife Fund South Africa in 2010 and is being observed internationally since 2011. India is home to the one-horned rhinoceros, also known as the Indian rhinoceros, mostly found in Assam. Question number 3. World Rose Day is observed every year on. Answer is 22nd September. World Rose Day is observed every year on 22nd September for the welfare of cancer patients. It is celebrated to show support and love towards the people suffering from world's second deadliest disease. World Rose Day was first observed in honor of 12-year-old cancer patient Malinda Rose from Canada, who died in 1996. According to reports, Rose was diagnosed with Atkins tumor in 1994, which is a rare form of blood cancer. Question number 4. National Daughters Day is observed every year on. Answer is 4th Sunday of September. In India, National Daughters Day is observed every year on the 4th Sunday of September. This year, the day is being celebrated on 22nd September 2024. It was introduced in 2007 by Indian social activist Ramchandra Siras to empower girls, promote their talents, raise awareness about ending violence against girls, and provide education. Question number 5. World Rivers Day is observed every year on. Answer is 4th Sunday of September. World Rivers Day is observed every year on 4th Sunday of September to raise awareness regarding water bodies and to promote their conservation. This year, it falls on 22nd September. The theme of World Rivers Day 2024 is Waterways of Life. World Rivers Day was first celebrated in 2005 as a global initiative originated from the International River Network, a non-profit organization dedicated to protecting rivers around the world. Question number 6. Who has won the 14th Hockey India Junior Men National Championship in 2024? Answer is Hockey Punjab. Hockey Punjab won the 14th Hockey India Junior Men National Championship 2024 by defeating Uttar Pradesh Hockey. The final was played at the Olympian Surjit Singh Hockey Stadium in Jalandhar, Punjab, on 19 September 2024. The 14th Hockey India Junior Men National Championship 2024 was organized by Hockey India at Jalandhar, Punjab, from 9 to 19 September 2024. Question number 7. Which state became India's third to pass a Property Damage Recovery Act? Answer is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand government has recently implemented the historic Property Damage Recovery Act. With the implementation of this act, Uttarakhand becomes the third state in India, following Haryana and Uttar Pradesh, to enact such comprehensive property protection legislation. Uttar Pradesh Recovery of Damages to Public and Private Property Act 2020 was passed by the Uttar Pradesh Legislative Assembly on 22 August 2020. Haryana government passed a similar bill in 2021. Question number 8. Who has led the 2024 Clean the Beach campaign? Answer is Bhupendra Yadav. The Union Ministry for Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Bhupendra Yadav, led the country in this year's Clean the Beach campaign on the occasion of the International Coastal Cleanup Day on 21 September 2024. The minister participated in an event to clean the beach at Juhu in Mumbai. The Clean the Beach campaign was launched on 5 June 2018 on the occasion of World Environment Day. Question number 9. Which Indian airport has topped among India in the 2024 Megahubs report? Answer is Indira Gandhi International Airport. According to the 2024 Megahubs report released by the United Kingdom, UK-based air consultancy firm Official Airline Guide, OAG, Indira Gandhi International Airport in New Delhi has been ranked at 24th spot among the top 25 megahub airports globally, up by one place from 25th spot in OAG's 2023 report. UK-based London Heathrow Airport has once again secured the first spot in the latest rankings. Question number 10. Who has introduced India's first travel services marketplace on ONDC network? Answer is EaseMyTrip. New Delhi-based EaseMyTrip, online travel platform in India, has introduced ScanMyTrip.com, India's first travel services marketplace on Open Network for Digital Commerce, ONDC network. EaseMyTrip has become the first online travel agency, OTA, to sell and purchase travel services through the ONDC platform. Question number 11. Who is the president of 68th General Conference of the International Atomic Energy Agency, IAEA? Answer is Sang Wook-ham. Sang Wook-ham, South Korea's ambassador to Austria, has been elected as the president of the 68th General Conference of the International Atomic Energy Agency, IAEA, an international organization within the United Nations. He hosted the office during the International Atomic Energy Agency, IAEA conference held from 16th to 20th September 2024 in Vilna, Austria. Question number 12. Sitaram Yechury passed away. He was the General Secretary of which party? Answer is CPIM. Sitaram Yechury, the General Secretary of the Communist Party of India, Marxist, or CPIM, passed away at the age of 72 in New Delhi. He has served as the Member of Parliament, MP, Rajya Sabha from West Bengal, from 2005 to 2017. He became the CPIM's General Secretary in 2015. Question number 13. To which country India has sent the second notice on Indus Water Treaty? Answer is Pakistan. India has sent a second formal notice to Pakistan regarding the Indus Water Treaty. This move has been taken after allegations of Pakistan violating the terms of the treaty. In January 2023, India had sent a formal notice to Pakistan to review and modify the Indus Water Treaty, but there was no clear response from Islamabad. The Indus Waters Treaty was signed in 1960 after 9 years of negotiations between India and Pakistan, and it was brokered by the World Bank. Question number 14. Boxer Nikhat Jareen has been appointed DSP in which state's police? Answer is Telangana. Telangana government has appointed boxer and two-time world boxing champion Nikhat Jareen as a deputy superintendent of police. Nikhat Jareen won a gold medal at the 2011 AIBA Women's Youth and Junior World Boxing Championships held in Antalya. She also won gold medal at the Birmingham 2022 Commonwealth Games. Question number 15. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Compliance Officer of Airtel Payments Bank? Answer is Amar Kumar Kakralpudi. Airtel Payments Bank has appointed Amar Kumar Kakralpudi as its new Chief Compliance Officer, CCO. Airtel Payments Bank is an Indian payments bank with its headquarters in New Delhi. The company is a subsidiary of Bharti Airtel. On 5 January 2022, it was granted the scheduled bank status by the Reserve Bank of India under the second schedule of RBI Act 1934. Question number 16. Where is the 19th Divya Kala Mela being organized? Answer is Vishakhapatnam. The 19th Divya Kala Mela has been organized from 19th to 29th September 2024 in Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. As part of the fair, 10 Divyang beneficiaries received concessional loans amounting to 40 lakh rupees. Divya Kala Mela is an initiative of the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities towards economic empowerment of Divyangjan. The first Mela was held in 2016 and since then, it has been organized in various Indian cities. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.